Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Strikingly to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Strikingly is another website builder known for its simple, user-friendly interface and single-page website design options. It's perfect for those who want to create a website quickly without spending much time on it. Strikingly also offers e-commerce features, making it a good choice for online stores. In terms of pricing, Strikingly provides a limited plan for $12 per month, a Pro plan for $20 per month, and a VIP plan for $59 per month. Yearly plans are also available. When comparing the two, it depends on your needs. SiteRubix is great for beginners who want a supportive community and easy tools to build a website. However, Strikingly is excellent for those who prefer a simple and quick approach with single-page designs. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.